myntri badai peit tnad forest but environment James PK Sangma Meghalaya tarik bnai ula pyntip bagani tnad treikam Shim Lynti kumno pynduna jingpynjulor syntiew skud mrad Khlaw kiba hapoh jylla Meghalaya. Ulong baki jingduna kendon hendregani tnad treikam kanum ailat yanu kiba kti hikam bnai pyndulor syntiew skud mrad Khlaw.
This is something that requires a lot of resources. The area of operation is very large, and when we look at the kind of manpower that is available with us to really go into each nook and corner to start identifying, it's a very difficult task. But nonetheless, we have an intelligence network which is gathering information, which we receive information from sources here and there. Immediately, we act on those kind of tip-offs, and our vigilance wing, our wildlife territorial and wildlife wing, they get into action to take action on that.
Hakabe day but boarding James Sangma ulong baka Sorkar jylla treikam shong thaj na binta pinbyang boarding habaro kuwe jylla uang baka Sorkar khmi Lynti bahaki bnai ki banwan on la pindap jingduna boarding jylla.
Well, we are trying our level best to ensure that we don't have any more load shedding in the future. But as I said, load shedding is something that is happening because of many reasons, and these reasons are something that we don't have control over. We are trying to make sure that we can preemptively nip the problem at the bud, but sometimes, as I said, it's not under our control, most of these factors. But definitely we are trying our best, and we hope that in the coming months we don't have that kind of load shedding, and we also hope and pray that there is adequate rainfall this monsoon.